Hey Krusties, I want to see you shake your tails.
We can see your tentacles.
This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Imagine thick, juicy prawns coated in a tempura batter in a bag with hot grease dripping through. When I ripped the bag open, I discovered that they're like 80% crumb. So I spent $5 on some crummy prawn, and I still gotta make my own sauce. Which isn't a bad thing, because prawn is like the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it, and while you're frying up this channel, make sure you stay connected. Thanks a bunch! There are many varieties of prawns. I'm using green king prawns, because they're big, thick and juicy. To peel and clean them, scrape off the base of the tail, cut off the bum hole, rip the head off, along with the legs and the shell up to the third last tail outer shell. Slice up the back and rip out the poo veiny thing. Next you want to lay it down flat and make some slight incisions in between the segments. Apply pressure in between those segments just to soften up the tissue. Do this to all your prawns and soak it in cold salted water. Hey Krusties, I want to see you shake your tails.
We can see your tentacles.
Brown chicken, brown cow. Give me her.
Now we're all set.
Drag your prawns by the tail through the tempura flour. Crack an egg in a bowl, add some soda water, mix in an egg and add some flour. Blitz some chili flakes, panko breadcrumbs and cornflakes in a blender, along with some desiccated coconut. Dunk your floured prawns in your batter, then chuck them in the container with your crumbs. Place on the top and give it a good shake. Fry it in veggie oil at 180 degrees. Cook until golden. Serve it up with sauce. Your camera batter is sharpened, but I made a cracker from coconut cream, curry powder, coriander, chili, garlic and ginger. These are so versatile it will go whatever you feel. I'm having mine with some rice, drizzling over some lime juice. Crunchy, but not bad for a tad under $4. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Prawn Star.